This is how I like my egg. Yan.
Hi, I'm Hazel, a certified tita and a lifelong creative with a heart that never grows old. If you're new here, I share how creativity blooms in my daily life to help you ignite your own spark.
So what's creative today? Let's eat breakfast. We have here 2 eggs and then 100 grams mango. So, tinatanong niyo ako, may rice ba akong kinakain? Yes, of course. Ayan. Ito ang rice natin. This is for lunch and dinner. So, this breakfast is designed na light breakfast tapos heavy ang lunch. So, let's begin. This is how I like my egg. Yan. Yan. Let's try this one. Same. Ooh. Okay. This is how my breakfast looks like. Nag-usap kasi kami ni coach. Sabi niya, how do you like your meal? Heavy breakfast or heavy lunch? Sabi ko sa kanya, light breakfast dahil most of the time nagtra-travel ako. Para easy lang. Madaling kainin. So mamaya mas marami akong kakainin sa lunch. I will have protein, fruit, and then carbohydrates. And then another carb and protein for dinner. Ayan.
Comment egg if you like eggs too.
And that's what's creative today. See you in the next one. Bye.